In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Telegram without phone number. So first, if you have Telegram and go inside, it's going to ask you immediately for a phone number. So what you can do is go to Play Store and search for Google Voice. So if you go to this app and download it, this app will literally give you a phone number. So if you go here, this is the Google Voice app. Now if you sign in, it will actually give you a phone number that you can use. So what you can do is you can go here, take that phone number and go to Telegram and use it directly, and it will work basically, because it's basically a phone number, a valid phone number. So you can use that phone number to create a Telegram account, and this way you don't have to use your own phone number if you don't have a phone number. And that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.